Hello people, it's Yazan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as New Little Mouse. It is a mouse in an astronaut suit which is going to the moon. As you can see here, he's ready. And this is a game and NFT project. So yeah, the white paper is mentioned here. And about Mouse Token is like Little Mouse Token is an ongoing NFT and outreach project. Little Mouse is a swap built on BSC blockchain. So people mainly use BSC blockchain because it has low gas fees rather than Ethereum, which is ERC20. The Little Mouse coin can be earned by initiating the swap and through the game. Little Mouse token will be used to make and disseminate the NFTs to be created against animal experiments to be developed in the continuation of the project, free of charge. Nice. Let's have a look at the total supply here. So the total supply is like this: 33% goes to PancakeSwap launch, 52% would go to the burn address, which would be permanently burned, which will increase the scarcity in the amount of supply and will increase the price floor of the remaining circulating supply because tokens would get scarce. As for the developer wallet, there will be 15% which will be used on marketing and other things, etc. So their game projects is like this in daily scoring and in weekly score. Little Mouse game will be created with an application to be created on Google Play. This game will be appealed to the segments of the society and token will be distributed in daily and weekly scoring. So if you make this score, you will get tokens. Yeah, the award amounts are not less than the declare values and may increase during the activity periods. So with the swap income of Little Mouse token, support will be given to associations and organizations that carry out projects against animal experiments, excluding health studies. Assistance will be provided to the project developed in this regard, and awareness raising text will be shared all over the world. The revenues of Google Ads given in the Little Mouse application will be used in the project working on stopping animal experiments and outreach project. In addition, various donations will be made transparently with some of the revenues during the events. That is a good thing. Okay, so in the last phase of the project, after an update on this site, free support will be provided to NFTs that will be created on animals and animal experiments on the site, and the study will be carried out in their dissemination. The financing of these free NFTs to be produced will be provided through swaps and advertising revenues on the application. So here is their roadmap. Roadmap shows what this project have done and what are they going to do next. They have Q2 2021 deployment of contract on testnet, deployment of contract on BSC that has been done, create a PancakeSwap liquidity pair that also have been done, LP token and 50% supply burn that has been also done, ownership of contract renounce, website update, donation campaign. So Q2 is done. Q3 would be like game application production, financing, website update, CoinGecko listing and CoinMarketCap, white paper, marketing, support for social aid projects, and Q4 2021 would be app update, new stock marketing listing, further ecosystem development, and new financing, meeting with opponents of annual testing. And they also have a roadmap for Q 2022. Most of projects don't have that, but they have. So support for social and projects in NFT infrastructure as for Q1 2022. Q2 2022 website update, NFT development, LTM's partner listing, NFT designing contest. Okay, so Q3 2022 creating a social assistant application, creating new NFT marketplace. In Q4 2022 continuous improvement, new Little Mouse universe. These are their contacts. Their contract address is also available here. So the current price is this. As you can see, it's super low and the market cap is 4.3 million. With this price, this market cap is amazing. So this shows that people are taking a lot of interest in this project. So let me show you how to buy this token on PancakeSwap. So first you write to PancakeSwap in the Google and we open this. Click trade, click exchange. Once you do that, copy the contract address from here, like it has been on their white paper. Once you click white paper, come all the way down here and it will be like here, and once you do that, select a currency. After that, paste the contract address here. So this would appear as LTMS, which is their ticker. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any wallet you have. As for MetaMask, you have to install it as an extension. Load up some BNB to it from your older wallet, and for one BNB you are getting this much LTMS. a lot of tokens. So click on swap and it would be all yours. Let's see their BSC scan report. So this is their BSC scan report. As you can see, a lot of transfer and a lot of hodlers are out there of these tokens. As you can see, transfer 56,713 and 17,805 hodlers. A lot of big projects don't have that much hodlers for now. As you can see, the transfer report here, it is super recent. People are taking a lot of interest in here. Like I've seen most of coins have 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, 3 hour ago, but here is seconds ago. So people are buying and selling the tokens and they are mad about it. So as for the hodlers, let's have a look. So this 54% is dead. So this will permanently would burn and increase the circulating supply price. So this 10% is the distribution account. As for this 1%, people don't have that much coin that if they sell it, it will go to rug pull. It's completely safe and you can trust on this. So this was up for all this, and let's have a look at their social media. Social media shows that how transparent the project is. So they have a Telegram, a Twitter, and an you can contact them via email. So their Telegram have 3,784 members, where you can get in touch with the community. You can join it by writing Little Mouse Global in the Telegram, and you can join it for yourself and do some research and talk with admins, know the live price, charts, etc. So as for the Twitter, their Twitter is named as Little Mouse Global. They have 5,381 followers here. They have 69 tweets, and their last tweet was 34 minutes ago. So this shows that they are very updated on their Twitter, and you can follow them here to stay updated with their project. Because once you do research, you can follow them here and gain information. So if you are interested in newlittlemouse.com, so I will leave the website link of it in the description box, so you can check it out for yourself and go with the mouse to the moon. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremate, where we would bring you more hidden gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.